Welcome, Art Agent Specialists. Your mission for July, should you wish to accept it, is as follows.
Your list of ingredients to include, but not necessarily in order, are A. Cover your page with newspaper print. B. Include numbers somewhere on your page. C. Add 3 focal images, the same one 3 times if you want. D. Add bold typography or a quote or phrase. E. Include botanical elements. F. Add washi tape or paper strips. G. Add stamped images or elements. And finally, H. Add hand-drawn or scribbled border. Your colours for the month of July are lagoon, orange and teal. And your words for inspiration are heat, summer, ocean, tropical or float.
And remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.